myself a little treat. This is the Carven exhaust tips. And so these are the 5-inch tips. And these things, I have to tell you, are pretty dang sweet. So I'm gonna get them out of the box and I'm gonna just do a quick install video and show you the difference between these and the ones that I'm taking off. The good news is it doesn't change the sound or anything, but definitely gives the back end that look that I think was missing with the smaller exhaust tips. But these things are sweet. Can't wait.
I can see my name in lights, spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go. That's good. I can see my name in lights, ball till I fall and I'm feeling alright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
What's up, YouTube? Absolutely gorgeous day today. So glad these actually came quicker than I thought, but they've been on my mind for a couple months now, and I'm so excited to install these. But I'll supply you guys a link, and I want to show you what these bad boys look like. These things are huge. So these things are double-walled stainless steel. The craftsmanship is just absolutely unreal. And I'm gonna just show you what these look like compared to, can you see that? Can you see the difference of those pipes? Pretty dang sweet, and they should fit really nicely in there. These are just massive. Look at this. It's got the nice little engraving on top, double walled, super, super nice. And they fit right on. So I'm gonna show you a picture of underneath. There's a bolt, it's a clamp. They do recommend a little friendly persuasion to get them off. Put them on. You can either have them flush or you can have them sticking out a little bit. I think I'm gonna have mine flush, but let's get started. This here is a 13 millimeter. You loosen that. You can see this is this bracket here that holds it on. These are the old exhaust. See how the old exhaust has like a little flange here, and the new one is just solid all the way back. So I think it's an upgrade all the way around. Okay, so there's a 13 millimeter on here. That's what you want to loosen up. This is the underside of the exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen this up. Okay, so I think that's loose enough. Give that a little loose, and then they want you to give a little tap-roo here. Little tap underneath, and this comes off like so. I might have to loosen this up just a little bit more. There we go. So check this out. This is the old one, and it sat like this. Here it is, and here's the under part. Now check out the new one. How crazy is that? This is gonna be sweet. Okay, so here's what it looks like off. You can see there's just a C-type clamp, and you want to make sure you give it. You don't want to go too far and have that fall off, but loosen it up so that you can get the new exhaust tip on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. So here's the left one is on, but it's not tightened. There's the right one. Looks pretty dang sweet in my opinion, and I've got it sitting flush. So before you tighten it down, make sure you get them both on, and then just kind of eyeball where you want them in terms of how you want it situated. But pretty dang sweet. Look at the difference. Just major. I think from even quality of what came off, these aren't really like dual walled. There you can kind of see it's got a shield around it versus this being solid throughout. So I think it's a solid upgrade. These aren't bad. I'm gonna obviously keep them, but man, what a difference in my humble opinion between that and these. I'm gonna back up and show you here because these are pretty studly. Look at that. So the other thing I really like to see the tips on the side sticking out a little bit more than the others, which I think gives it a pretty aggressive look. But you can see I kept it pretty flush. But man, everything on this car is oversized and just industrial strength, and so I think this was a good upgrade. Kind of goes along with everything else. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and it was super simple. They run about $235. Okay guys, all done. You know, all in all, it took me about 30 minutes, and you know, the right one went on pretty easy. Left one just took a little bit of finagling, and when I tightened it, it moved a little bit, so I had to go back and do it again. But I think all in all, these things turned out pretty dang sweet. Really, really sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you're looking for a really nice upgrade to 5-inch exhaust tips, which I think makes this car really, really pop, these are great. And so I'll include the link below, and hope this was fun for you guys. I'm gonna enjoy these. All right, you guys, take care.
Dang, that's good. Spark from the heart and it shines so bright. Yeah, so let the whole world know. Let's go, let's go, let's go.